Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add the rotating music CD on your Instagram stories. It is actually super simple to do, so let's get started with the video. Sorry if I'm talking super slow. This video has to be around 3 minutes for it to be a video, but anyways, that is besides the point. Okay, we're just going to kind of scroll to the left here to make a story. Take a picture. I'm just taking a picture of this dark abyss. I don't know. Select the stickers tab. Actually, no. Select the music icon. Then you're just going to select a song that you want to add. I'm going to add Down Bad by Taylor Swift because I'm very down bad by Taylor Swift. I'm just kidding. I just really like the song right now. So then you're going to go to the very right. Oh my god, sorry. And then as you can see, there is this spinning CD. It works for every song, so if you change the music to maybe this one, Fresh Start by Nanakom, is that how you say it? Nanakom, I don't know. Just slide this to the very right. I think this song has no lyrics, that's why the option isn't available. So you can go ahead and add that. It was different for the Valentine's Day update. You could actually turn it and it was themed to Valentine's Day, but as you can see, it's over, so now it's plain. But hopefully they have more themes on the record player as time passes on. That is how you can add this spinning CD player, music player on your Instagram stories. When you're done, you're just going to press your story and just post it. Boop. And that is it for this video. I'm feeling very loopy. Look at the time right now. It's almost 3. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.